dito muna.
Join us! Nako, yan ang inyong leading man moment! Hello! Hello, beautiful ladies! Ate, come here! Let's go! Join us! Ayan, we're looking for one more person!
Then last one.
Ayan, last one! Hello! Ayan, sige. Let's all quickly introduce ourselves to Alden. Hello po, what's your name?
Barbara po.
Hello, Miss
Hi, Barbara.
Barbara.
Giselle.
Of course, Giselle.
Mary Jane.
Hi, Mary Jane.
Jaya.
Jaya.
Julia po.
Julia, parang galing pang school alam ba nilang nandito ka?
Ayan. So, thank you so much for joining us in this very, very quick and simple activity. So, simple lang naman ang gagawin natin. Alam niyo naman how active Alden's lifestyle get.
Medyo lang, medyo.
Diba?
Yes, Nathan.
So, meron tayong trial, diba? A day in a life of Alden Richards. So, we will go on a very simple skin rescue mission game. At ang kailangan niyo lang gawin ay gawin ang warm-up routine ni Alden for his triathlon.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct.
Napakasimple. So, game ba tayo? Game ba tayo, ladies? Yeah!
Madali lang to. No,
Yes,
no brainer to,
napakadali
no
lang,
brainer.
diba? So we'll just do a few basic stretches, a few movements to get our heart rate up, and then pag pinawis-pawisan na tayo ng konti, we will be using our Hypochlorous Skin Rescue Spray from Dr. O para maramdaman natin how good it feels on the skin. So ready na ba tayo?
Ready, girls?
Okay, music please! We'll first start with basic stretches, guys. Stretch tayo.
Next up. Next up.
And then, baba.
Baba lang, baba. Sige. Ramdamin niyo mag-stretch yung hamstrings niyo, guys. For the
Nako,
run.
flexible ang ating mga
Grabe
ladies.
naman yun.
Okay, after stretching, we'll do 5 jumping jacks.
Let's go. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5.
5. Nako,
Alright.
mataas na ba ang heart rate?
Malapit na dito. And then next, we'll be doing 5 squats.
Yes.
Squats lang tayo. 1,
Yan.
2, 3, 4,
4.
and 5. Yan, medyo tumataas na.
Wow.
And then lastly, we will be doing 5 high knees.
High knees,
High knees,
guys.
ganun lang yan. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4, and 5. Nako, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga volunteers today.
Thank you, girls.
Yes, so nice job everyone. So, kumusta? Pinagpawisan ba tayo konti? Yeah!
Parang sakto lang. Tumaas lang daw yung heart rate.
Diba? So Alden, can you show our guests here today, pag pinagpawisan ka na, what do you do with our hypochlorous?
Yeah, so technically, kahit usually you wipe yourself first from the sweat that you gained during the workout or during the activity that you've done. And then like what I did kanina, you just spray your face 3 times actually. So, 1, 2, 3.
O, diba?
Ganun lang siya kasimple. And right now, syempre since we have the ladies right here,
Yes, I promised them their
And-
leading man moment,
if,
Alden.
yes, of course, with your permission, okay lang ba if I spray the Dr. O Hypochlorous Skin Rescue Spray sa inyo?
Wow!
Personally? Okay lang ba? Hindi kayo
Ayan,
Hindi kayo ma- Okay,
yes!
sige. Simulan ko na kay Julia. Ready, Jules? Thanks.
Ayan.
Anong pakiramdam?
Babasa.
Siyempre mamaya pa magsisettle pa yan and you'll feel refreshed. Wala na, di ba? Light lang, di ba?
Diba? Ang bilis matuyo.
Okay. Next, ma'am.
Ayan. So, anong pakiramdam?
Refreshing,
Ayan.
refreshing.
And you look fresh right now as well. Ayan. Okay,
Next.
next. Ayan.
How does it feel? First time ba to experience the spray?
Yes. So fresh.
Refreshing.
Refreshing. Okay, si ma'am naman.
Game? How does it feel?
Nakakakilig.
Nako, tumaas ang heart rate dahil sa kilig.
Oo, bagong experience yun with the spray.
Yes.
And then, lastly,
Ayan, ano pakiramdam?
Yung matitigan yan.
Hindi, yung may sprayan, syempre.
Very refreshing po.
Pero yung matitigan.
Ay, nakakatuna.
Diba? Naku, bawal matunaw, nasa stage pa tayo. Pero guys,
so yun, I mean, after spraying the Dr. O Hypochlorous Skin Rescue Spray, no need to tap, no need to pat it dry, just let it sit on your skin and let its magic do it for you.
yes, and as you can see, some of our volunteers here right now have makeup on as well. So, very safe siya to be used on top of makeup or syempre if you're bare-faced as well. Pero guys, there you have it. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating leading ladies.
Photos muna pala.
Yes.
Picture muna tayo with them.
Ayan, palakpakan natin ulit sila. At syempre, hindi kayo uuwi empty-handed. Everyone will be receiving their very own hypochlorous spray from Dr. O. Ayan. O, di ba si Alden pa ang magbibigay?
Congratulations, thank you so much. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. And
Ayan.
enjoy your Dr. O Hypochlorous Spray.
Ayan,
Ayan,
maraming
guys.
salamat, everyone!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mo.
Thank you. One more now. Thank you. Thank
One more
you.
now.
Ayan, congratulations to all of our volunteers. So, sino dito ang nabitin? Nako, mukhang maraming nabitin. Guys, we have so much more exciting surprises in store for you. Because syempre, hindi pa natin papakawalan si Mr. Alden Richards. Because Alden, is there something that you want to say to our audience here today?
Yes, of course. Mamaya po, right after this segment that we have, I hope to see you guys at Dr. O booth somewhere here, I think. Andito, somewhere here.
Yeah.
And I will be sharing some, photo ops and videos with you guys. And hope to see you guys there. I'll see you there po after this.
Yes! And thank you so much, Alden. And I think today's demo says it all, di ba? Skincare doesn't have to be overcomplicated, intimidating. Sometimes it just needs to be a quick spray to reset our skin, di ba?
Actually, yun nga yung maganda ngayon with everything that's happening within the skincare world, especially with Dr. O. They keep on producing products na hindi masyadong intimidating, madaling i-apply. The ingredients is not that harsh on the skin. It's for everyone. And it's very much readily accessible para sa ating lahat. And of course, this goes to show that taking care of our skin doesn't have to be very expensive. And, products and brands that supports that cause, their products is readily available around the area. So thank you so much po to everyone who's supporting Dr. O, the Dr. O brand.
Yes, I love what you said na Dr. O really has products for everyone. So whether they have, oily, dry, combination
All skin types.
Yes,
Let's face it.
there's a Dr. O product out there for you. So guys, palakpakan po natin ulit si Mr. Alden Richards!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. See you sa Dr. O booth.
And
Thank you so much.
for those who didn't get the chance to join us up here on stage, make sure to drop by Dr. O booth so that you can come visit